In today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a video behind text effect on CapCut. First things first, let's head over to CapCut and then tap on new project. Now you simply tap on the stock video right here on the top and then select a black screen like this one and tap on add. Once that is done, your video will be added to the timeline. Now what you want to do is tap on text and create a text. Tap on add text. Now you can type in anything that you want. Now once that is done, you can choose different fonts. You can also add in various styles. You can take a look at these. For now, I'm just going to use this one. Now after your text has been added, you can increase the length of this according to your video and then make sure that it is 180p and tap on the arrow on the top right and export it to your phone. Once the export is complete, you can again tap on new project and now select the video that you want to add in the text effect. Now once you add in the video, you simply tap on overlay. Make sure that the video is not selected, so tap on the black area right here and tap on add overlay and again add overlay. Now just select the text that we just created and tap on add. Now once that is done, you can see the text has been added to the scene. Now from here, you just zoom in and adjust it according to your video. Once that is complete, you tap on the splice option. Make sure that the text is selected like this and then you'll have an option of splice. You can tap on it and choose the darken option, or you can also choose the slide option right here. Once you do, tap on the tick mark and there you go. Now this text is a little small. You can choose a bolder text to make it more visible. So that's it on how to create a video behind text effect on CapCut. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.